Good morning students, welcome back to online classes of digital circuits. So in yesterday's class we have discussed about the series shunt clipping circuits. Okay, then we have seen the different variations how you are going to see, and we have also seen the clipping below the reference level and clipping above the reference level. So in today's class we are going to see about the series clippers. First we'll discuss about how your series clippers will be there, what is the figure. Then we'll move on to the next topic that we'll be seeing is clipping above the reference level and clipping below the reference level in series clipping. So the figure which I am showing over here is the series clipper where your diode is followed up by your resistor as well as your voltage. So here the VR shows here the reference voltage over here. So it's the figure what I am showing here is your series clipper circuit using a PN junction diode that will be having your reference voltage as VR, and this diode is assumed to be ideal so that it will be acting as a short circuit when it is in on condition, and it will be acting as an open circuit when it is off condition. I'll repeat this once again. The diode which we are considering here is a PN junction diode, which is an ideal diode which will be acting as a short circuit when it is an open condition, and it will be acting as an open circuit when the diode is in off condition. Now since the diode is in the series path, yes, this is the series path, so the connecting the output and the input is called as your series clipper because we are connecting this in the series part. So as the diode is in the series path, the connecting path to the input, so here the VI is the input over here, so it is in the series path, so the name itself is called as your series clipper. So here the we are having the output characteristics in the reference with the output voltage and the input voltage V0 and Vi, and these reference characteristic is called as your transfer characteristics. Here I'll be showing you the figure. So this particular characteristic is called as your transfer characteristics of your series clipper. Now if you see the condition where your input voltage Vi is less than of your reference voltage, we'll see how the circuit will working. Now I am applying some voltage over here Vi, and that Vi is less than your voltage whatever you have applied at the input, that is less than that of your reference voltage, nothing but your voltage which is present at your diode. Okay, so that diode is in forward bias because it is an anode is higher potential than that of your cathode, because your V in is smaller and VR is greater. So that's the reason here anode is in the higher potential than that of your cathode. So here it will be conducting and it will be acting as a short circuit, and the equivalent circuit is like this. Okay, here this is a short circuit. Okay, we are offing because the condition here is Vi should be less than of your reference voltage. So here your diode is in off condition and it will be conducting mode. So here this part of your sinusoidal wave will be clipped off on the positive reference voltage, right? So here it will be clipped off. So the result, the difference voltage between the V input and the reference voltage is called as your that particular part is called dropped off or clipped off. So therefore V0 is equals to Vi, or where V0 output voltage is equals to input voltage, and the slope of the transfer characteristic is for Vi less than of VR, and that will be equals to 1. Since the input signal is transmitted to the output without any changes, this particular region is called as your transmission region. Always remember that whenever your input is applied or transmitted to the output without any changes, that particular region is called as your transmission region. See the transfer characteristics over here. When your diode is in off condition, you will be clipping off the circuit. So this particular region is called as clipping region. When your diode is off, that is the condition is Vi should be greater than of your reference voltage. In that particular condition, your diode will be on condition and you will be transmitting. So this particular region is called as your transmitting region or the transmission region. Here your positive pulse or the positive peak will be clipped off when your diode is in off condition. So these are the transfer characteristics that we have seen of your series clipper. Okay, first one, for that is the condition, and the equivalent circuit that we have seen is the output waveform for a sinusoidal wave where the positive peak, this input voltage will be dropped across or it will be clipped off. Now see the condition. Now I am applying the input Vi. This is actually Vi. Vi is greater than that of your reference voltage. Then here the diode is in reverse bias condition. Here the diode will be in the forward bias condition. Here the diode will be in the reverse bias condition. And the condition is where Vi, the input voltage whatever you have applied, is greater than that of your reference voltage. Fine. So here what happens, because its cathode is at the higher position, now it is having higher potential than that of its anode, then it does not conduct, and that will be acting as an open circuit. So if it is an open circuit, there is no flow of current. Yes, isn't it? Or if it is an open circuit, whenever you are applying some voltage, then there is no flow of current over here. So here this is the figure. So no current will be flows through the R, okay, from this resistor. So no voltage drop will be across this. So the output will be V0 is equals to, what will be the output now, because you have applied here Vn and your diode is in open condition, so there is no current will be flowing. So that's the reason your output V0 will be equals to the reference voltage V0 Vr, and the slope of the transfer characteristics will be 0. Here at this part, see here the slope, this will be 0. Here we will be having slope as 1, and here the slope will be 0. So the output of V0 is equals to Vr, because you are not Vi is not going over there because it is an open circuit. So the slope of the transfer characteristic is 0, and since the input signal above the Vr is clipped off, above the Vr will be clipped off for the V greater than of Vr. So this region is called as your clipping region. So the equation will be V0 is equals to Vi for Vi is less than Vr, and V0 is equals to Vr when the condition is your input voltage is greater than that of your reference voltage, and this particular region is called as your transfer characteristic equation. See the condition, you have to make a note, output voltage is equals to input voltage, then the condition is your input voltage should be less than that of your reference voltage. Your output voltage is equals to reference voltage, the condition is your input voltage is greater than that of your reference voltage. So this particular part will be clipped off over here. Now see the clipping we are doing now, clipping is to be done below the reference voltage. Now this was the characteristics. Once again I will take you the figure. These were the characteristics that we have seen for the clipping above the reference level. Now we are seeing the condition, the clipping below the reference level. See the figure over here, ma. This figure shows you the series clipper circuit using the PN junction diode and the reference voltage. Okay, same the circuit you are using over here. This is the circuit. This here you are using in the reverse bias. Here the circuit is in the forward bias, and the reference voltage is below the VB. Now the condition, the diode is assumed to be ideal, so that it will be acting as an short circuit which is in the on, and open circuit is in the off condition. Do remember here, so whatever the diode we are assuming here is an ideal circuit, so it will be acting as a short circuit when it is on, okay, and it will be acting as an open circuit when it is off. Since the diode are in the series path connecting to the input and output, they are in the series path, so it is called as your series clipper, and the transfer characteristics of this particular clipping circuit are shown over here. See here the slope here is equals to 0, and slope here will be 1, because here the diode is on condition in the transmission region, in the off condition in the clipping region. See the here, ma. See here the diode is in on condition in the transmission region, and the slope here equals to 1. This is a particular slope. Now it will be off, clear, diode is in off condition in the clipping region. See the characteristics of your clipping below the reference level, what you are having. Since the diode is what you are having the short circuit when it is on. When the diode is on, it acts as a short circuit, and it is off when it is an open circuit. So what happens, the slope here will be 0 when you are having off, and it will be 1 you will be your diode is in on condition. So this particular region is called as your transmission region. Fine. Now see the characteristics here. So the diode which is in the series, we have shown the figure that are the transfer characteristics of the diode are the clipping when below the reference level. Now the output of the sinusoidal wave, this particular part is clipped off, the positive part. Okay, sorry, this will be given as an output. This particular part, whole part will be clipped out when the condition equivalent circuit, okay, for Vi is less than of your reference voltage. This is the condition. What is the condition? If Vi is less than the reference voltage, then it will be acting as an open circuit, and Vi is greater than the reference voltage, then it will be acting as an short circuit, because here the current will be flowing, you will be having a path over here, so your input voltage should be equals to the output voltage. So that's the reason we are getting this particular output here, Vi is equals to V naught. But here in this particular condition, because there is no flow of current from the input to the output, so your output will be equals to the reference voltage. So this particular part will be clipped off over here. So listen here carefully. So for Vi, or the input voltage, less than that of your reference voltage, a diode is in the reverse bias condition, and its anode is low, its anode will be having lower potential than that of its cathode. Okay, so the diode will does not conduct over here, and it will be acting as an open circuit, and the equivalent circuit as we have shown here. Okay, now here no current will be flowing to the resistor R, and hence no voltage drop will be occurring over here. Since there is no current over here, so your output V naught will be equals to VR. Yes or no? So there is no current flow from here, from input Vi, so your output voltage V naught is equals to VR. So the slope of the transfer characteristic is 0 for Vi is less than VR. So here it will be 0 for Vi is less than of your VR. So that is the condition. Now since the input is clipped off for Vi is less than of VR, this one Vi is less than, here you are having the reference voltage, and this is your input voltage. So you have to cross this reference voltage as to move on to the output, but we are not having that particular, because here no current is flowing over here. So this particular part will be clipped off, because your Vi is less than of VR. Your VR is over here, this reference voltage is here over here. So above the reference voltage, the whatever the peak or the amplitude you are having, only that part will be moving for the output, and the remaining all the input value of your sinusoidal wave will be clipped off, which is less than that of your reference voltage. Clear? Now see, the diode will be in the forward, when the condition you are having Vi is greater than that of VR. Now the input voltage is greater than that of VR. Here in this particular, your Vi is now greater than of your reference voltage. Now what happens there? The diode will be acting as an forward bias, this one, and because its anode is having higher potential than that of your cathode, the diode conducts as a short circuit, and the equivalent circuit is shown here, and the current will be flowing from here input to the output. So your V naught will be equals to Vi. So the diode will be conducts and acts as a short circuit, and the current will be flowing through the resistor, and the difference voltage between the input and output voltages, that is Vi, will be less than, or sorry, greater than that of your VR at the voltage drop, and the output will be V naught is equals to Vi. So obviously your output will be V naught is equals to whatever the input you have applied here, that is equals to Vi. So the slope of the transfer characteristics for the Vi greater than that of your VR. Please keep in mind, this is Vi1. This is the input voltage. Okay. So Vi is greater than that of your reference voltage will be is 1. So that will be equals to 1, that is called as unity. See here the reference voltage transfer characteristics. Here you will be having the D on, your diode is in the on condition. So this particular region is called as your transmission region, and the slope will be is equals to 1. That is nothing but it will be unity. Since the input is transmitted to the output for the Vi greater than VR, so this region is called as your transmission region, and the equation for or the equations which are called for these characteristics are called as transfer characteristics equation. So when we can say your V naught is equals to VR for Vi less than of VR, correct? Yeah, I'll show the V naught here. V naught is equals to VR when Vi is less than that of your reference voltage. Now V naught is equals to Vi when your Vi is greater than of your reference voltage VR, correct? So please make a note of this particular equation, transfer characteristic equations. Similarly, this is for which one? clipping below the reference level. Same here, you have to write the clipping above the reference level, the transfer characteristic equation. Same, V naught is equals to Vi for Vi is less than of Vr. V naught is equals to Vr when Vi is greater than of Vr. Here also similarly, V naught is equals to Vr for Vi is less than of Vr, and V naught is equals to Vi, output is equals to Vi when you are having the condition your input voltage is greater than that of your reference voltage. Okay, so this is how it will be clipped off. So whatever the value, the input value is greater than that of your reference voltage, that particular part will be moved on, and which the value input voltage is less than the reference voltage, that whole particular part of your sinusoidal wave will be clipped off over here. Okay, so this was about your series clipping. Okay, I hope you are clear with this part. So here I am having some of the examples like how you will be getting the transfer characteristics of different single ended diode clipping circuits. So we'll just see some of the figures over here. So some single ended diode clipping circuits with their transfer characteristics and the output waveforms when you are applying sinusoidal inputs. Okay, so here very firstly, which one is this one? Which particular part? This is shunt clippers, because we are having the diode, the resistor will be followed up by a diode resistor. Okay, here the condition is shunt clipper, you are having the positive peak clipping without reference voltage. So there is no reference voltage here. See the transfer, this is a transfer characteristics, this is your block diagram of that one, circuit diagram, and these are your how your clipping has to be done. Okay, so very first is your shunt clipper, positive peak clipping without any reference. So here we are not having any kind of reference level, so that's the reason this whole positive peak will be clipped off. If in case if you are having reference voltage in here, so we'll be having some particular part will be there, the positive part will be transmitted, or else it will be clipped off. See the transfer characteristics over here, when the diode is in off condition, the slope will be 1. Here is a transmission region, and when your diode is equals to 0, on condition your slope will be 0. So this particular part will be clipped off. Okay, so D is on and D is off. So your output voltage V0 is equals to Vi in the first condition when diode is off, and output voltage V0 is equals to 0 because there is no current will be flowing over there. So that's the reason your V0 will be is equals to 0. See the condition for Vi, no reference level we are considering. So input voltage is less than 0, diode is off, and output voltage is equals to input voltage, off condition. So it's short. When input voltage is greater than 0, 1 or something, your diode is in on condition, it's an open circuit, so no current will be flowing over there. So output voltage is equals to 0. This is the condition when you are having single ended clipping and shunt series positive peak clipping without any reference level. Now if I consider second one, shunt clipping or shunt clippers, negative peak clipping without reference voltage level. Same condition here, when Vi is less than 0, your diode will be in the on condition and your output voltage V0 is equals to 0, and Vi is greater than 0. If you are applying the voltage greater than 0, then it will be in the off condition. Okay, so it is in the short circuit, your current will be flowing through the resistor to the diode and the output, and your V0 will be equals to Vi. So here your transfer characteristic will be 1, slope will be equals to 1 when the diode is in the off condition, and your slope will be is equals to 0 when the diode is in the on condition. And which particular part we are clipping off here? The negative peak. Okay, so this negative peak without any reference voltage, we are completely clipping off this negative circuit. Okay, so this will be at when you will be getting this one, shunt clipper, negative peak clipping without any reference voltage. Now see, now we are going to see third one, series clipper. Okay, see the figures properly. We are having series clipper, negative peak clipping without reference voltage. Now you have this particular part, negative clipping will be done. So the your diode, your resistor will be followed up, diode will be followed up by a resistor. Okay, you will be having the condition that when input voltage Vi is less than 0, then what will be happening? The diode will be in the on off condition. So off it is, you will be having an open circuit. So V0 you will be equals to 0 because there is no current will be flowing over there. So in the condition when Vi is greater than 0, your input voltage is greater than 0, your diode will be in the on condition. Then your input voltage V0 is equals to Vi. Okay, so this is your negative peak clipping off. This the particular part will be clipped off if this is the circuit, and this is your transmission transfer characteristics of this one. Now comes to the series clipping, series clippers positive peak clipping without reference voltage. So this positive peak will be clipped off when your voltage will be in the negative reverse bias, and the conditions are when input voltage is less than 0 and a diode will be on here. So your output voltage will be is equals to input voltage, means whatever the input you have applied will be going on. Because your diode is on, you will be getting a short circuit over here, you will be getting a path. So here this will be slope will be is equals to 1. So this is the transmission region. Here this is the clipping region. Okay, so Vi is greater than 0, the diode will be in the on condition, open circuit will be there, so no current will be flowing over there. So your output voltage V0 is equals to 0. So that's the region. As the Vi is greater than 0, it is off, and this particular part will be clipped off. So this is the part of clipping region, and this is your transmission region. Now these all four we have seen positive and negative clipping of series clippers only without references. Okay, now we will see the condition with reference voltage. So the shunt clipper again, negative base clipping above reference voltage. So negative base clipping above the reference voltage. If you are having above the reference voltage, then you will be having clipping, or else you won't have. So the condition will be here, but input voltage is less than of minus VR or the reference voltage, the diode will be on. Okay, the diode will be off, and your output voltage will be is equals to input voltage. Okay, now the condition here, your input voltage is greater than that of your reference voltage, the diode will be on, it will be in the conducting mode. So whatever the apply what happens here, your output voltage will be is equals to minus Vi, because it is an open condition. Whatever the input you have here, that will be act as an output. So here that's the reason. This is your reference voltage, minus negative clipping we are doing, negative base. So the below the reference voltage it won't be clipped, above the reference voltage it will be clipping off. So what we are seeing, shunt clipper, negative base clipping above the reference voltage. So this part, this is above the reference voltage, so this whole particular part will be clipped off, and below the reference voltage this will be moved on as an output V0. Okay, now comes to the next part, shunt clippers, negative base below the reference level. Here see, this below the reference level, this part is clipped off, and above the reference level that will be sent as an output. This here already we have seen just now. Okay, so this part is called as your transmission region, and this is your clipping region. Okay, now see the condition here, when input voltage is less than that of your reference voltage, your diode is in the on condition, and the output will be your reference voltage. No, if it is not that condition, if you are applying reference voltage less than that of your input voltage, then diode will be off, and output will be is equals to the input whatever you applied, because it will be acting as a short circuit now. Okay, so this will be above the reference voltage, so this particular part will be clipped off. Now see the last one, series clipper, positive base clipping above the reference voltage. So this here I am considering as the above the reference voltage. So above the reference voltage you are clipping it off, and that too in series clipper. So this is the transmission region when slope is equals to 1, and this is the clipping region. So this particular part above the reference voltage will be clipped off. Now comes to the last one, this one. So series clipper, positive base clipping before the reference level or the below the reference level. So this is the reference voltage level that I have considered. So this is the transmission region, and this is your clipping region. So all over the part which is below your reference voltage, this will be clipped off on only positive part. So this will be given as an output. So this is the series clipper, positive base clipping below the reference voltage. This is the below the reference voltage. So I hope you are clear with all these 6 figures that we have seen. Okay, series clippers, shunt clippers with positive clipping, with reference levels and without reference levels, as well as above the reference levels and below the reference level. Okay, if you are having the reference level, then you can consider for above and below. If you are not having, then this is the condition, right? So in case of any doubts, please do let me know. I'll wind up the class here itself. Thank you.